Welcome to another random review and how-to. Today we're going to be putting in the WeatherTech floor mat for your truck. I do have a spray-in liner, but I still want to protect that part. You can see I'm already scraping it up. So I bought one of these WeatherTechs. The pretty easy steps, a little time consuming, but pretty easy steps. First thing you want to do is roll this out, put it out in the sun. You want the temperature to be a little bit warmer. It's going to help the rubber kind of form out. And then your second step is going to be wiping down. So I already blew out the entire bed, but now I'm going to wipe this entire thing down with warm soapy water, really kind of scrub it and get it all clean. And then step 3 is going to be finding out where these little sticky pads are. So they have this double-sided velcro there, and it has a sticky little piece on the bottom. And where those pieces line up on your bed, you want to make sure that you use glass cleaner to wipe down those corners and then adhere them down. So when you want to pop out your mat you can do that. It also helps it hold it in place. So it's pretty easy to install, but it's a little time consuming because you have to do the wiping out part. Now, if you have the back part, you're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start to wipe this out. All right, so this has been out for about an hour now, sitting in the sun, and I flipped it over. It's already pliable. It's not trying to roll itself up anymore. But I wanted to show on the back here where all of these sticky pads are. So for reference, again, they want you to Windex your bed or use glass cleaner on your bed to put it where you're going to adhere any one of these strips. So what I wanted to see real quick is just where they were, because then this way I don't have to do the entire bed or try to line it up. So I could see I got it in the front 2 corners up there. So in my truck, I know that I'm going to go on the lower part up there and over here and just Windex those areas. And then you could see that after the wheel well, these are all on the actual up grooves. So that's the other thing you want to know. The sticky part is going to go down in the groove of your bed. So I know that I got the edge here on these 2. And then if I just count 1, 2, 3 over, I got these 4 right there. And then I have those 2 up there that are on the 3rd. So I can just kind of eyeball this and then go into my truck and Windex those sections. So I would just count the grooves 1, 2, 3, and I know I got to do this part, and then up there I got to do that part. So that's what I would recommend on doing the Windexing part. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then roll this in. All right, so I went ahead and walked this in. Now you'll see what you make sure you do is you push this edge all the way up there so it gets up, or else it's gonna feel like it doesn't fit. So the next part I'm gonna do is go ahead and just pull all of these sticky parts off. And I'm gonna pull them off one by one and kind of roll it in, and then just make sure I'm stepping on the area of where I'm placing it to make sure that I have everything down there. All right, so here we have it all down and in. Pretty easy to do once you get it all kind of cleaned up. The only thing is that you're going to notice on these edges they're a little rippled, but I think over time as sitting in the sun, they'll form down there a little bit. So I'm just going to keep pushing down, and if you need to, you could always put something in these corners to weigh it down, but I keep a lot of stuff in the back here. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'm going to have just a link to the one I'm using here. It's really going to be dependent, but this is from realtruck.com. You can't find these on Amazon. I'll link to that as well. But these are a nice option if you want to protect the bottom of your bed there. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.